Hi everyone, welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. It's me, Chef Connie, and today I have a delicious recipe. My nails, yes, they are blingy. I just got them redone. At some point, I'm gonna get them cut, but they are not interfering with my construction work, with my building my desk, putting my equipment together, and being a chef. Yummy! So anyway, today we are going to make some delicious bacon wrapped chicken breast. That's right, bacon wrapped chicken breast. And if you love bacon, well, this is a delicious dish for you. And if you don't like bacon, it's more bacon for us bacon lovers. Yay! Anyway, let's get down to it, and I'm ready to create this delicious dish. Okay, everyone. Well, I am ready to create all this deliciousness, and what we have here is I have my plate of bacon. I've taken all the bacon and put it in strips. So this is my chicken breast cut up and in strips. And then for our seasoning, we have brown sugar, garlic powder, pink salt, black pepper, and paprika, smoky paprika. So what we're going to do is, in our delicious brown sugar, we're going to pour in the garlic powder, the pepper, the pink salt, and paprika. There we go. And after we get all these ingredients together, we're going to mix them up. So I'm going to mix up all of these ingredients together. Okay, now that all of our ingredients are mixed together, we're going to move these bowls. And what we're going to do is take our chicken and season up our chicken with these ingredients. And you can use your hand if you like. Just kind of sprinkle it over the chicken. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle this over the chicken so that our chicken looks like this. We have it on both sides of the chicken. And then after that, we're gonna take a piece of bacon and I'm gonna take it and just roll. I'm gonna lay this bacon out and then take and roll the bacon around the chicken breast. And after I roll it up, this is what it looks like. This open end right here, when I put it on the grill pan, we're gonna lay this side down, the open end down. Okay? So here we go, another piece of chicken. I'm gonna lay out a piece of bacon. Make sure your bacon is flat. This is not that hard, folks. It is really easy. And then we just take and roll that chicken up. There we go. Nice and easy. Don't worry if it overlaps a little bit, because that's what it's gonna do. And there we have it. Yummy. And then I'll just put it on the grill pan. So I'm placing it on this grill pan, and the grill pan I have lined with aluminum foil to catch the grease, and it, won't damage the pan. So there we go. I'm gonna finish rolling up our seasoned chicken breast, and we'll be seasoning our chicken breast before we wrap it in the bacon. Okay, so I will roll up all this chicken, season it, roll it up, and I will show you what it looks like when I get finished. Hey everyone, so I'm almost finished, but what I wanted to say is, okay, sometimes bacon piece is not long enough to cover that full piece of chicken breast, so that's when you get another piece if you need to, and you can cut it in half. It's okay to overlap the bacon, and you can cut it in half or break it in half and just double up and use another piece to finish covering up that piece of chicken. So there we have it. It's completely covered. I know it looks crazy, but it will cook and be delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay everyone, this is what our tray looks like with our bacon wrapped chicken breast. Some of them look a little ugly, some of them look neat. Sometimes you get bacon that's a little bit raggedy. Some bacon looks nice, sits nice, but here we go. And then with the extra seasoning, it's up to you. You can also sprinkle a little bit on top of your bacon. So I have the oven preheating at 375 degrees. And we're gonna put this in the oven at 375. I'll put a little bit more. And there we have it. So this is the same seasoning that we used for our chicken breast, and then we just sprinkled a little bit on the outside of the bacon to give it some flavor, a little caramelization. And I am ready to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Is just based on the heat in your oven, what kind of bacon, the thickness of your bacon. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and I will return so we can see what this deliciousness looks like after it is cooked. All right, everyone, I am back. We are back, and this is our bacon wrapped chicken breast out of the oven. Look at this deliciousness. Our bacon, I sprinkled it with the seasoning that we used for the chicken breast, and you can see the caramelization and all the deliciousness. And also the bottom of our tray, you can see where the fat has dripped down to the bottom of our tray. And it's sitting here. This is why we put the foil, because the foil catches that. And also, you just don't want to ruin your pan. See that? So this is the fat, and that's what makes it so great to use this grill pan. Also the way this cooks. But I did turn over our pieces halfway through the cooking. So after 35 minutes, which I did cook this for an hour, and the pieces that we want to use, you don't want to use thick bacon for this. The pieces that you want to use are the thin bacon. And it's been cooking for an hour. So started cooking it and sprinkled some of our seasoning. And then after 35 minutes, I turned it over and sprinkled our bacon again, bacon wrapped chicken breast again with more of the seasoning. And this makes it so delicious. Lots of flavors. So make this dish. You and your family will love it. And now we're gonna do the deliciousness test. All right, so here I am. I'm back to do the deliciousness test. Our bacon wrapped chicken breast has been cooking, and they're chicken breast strips, has been cooking in the oven for an hour. And we have used, I used regular bacon, not big bacon, with that special seasoning. So let's give it a try. Of course, I'm going to say deliciousness because I've had this before, but I wanted to share this recipe with all of you guys. So let me take a bite. All right. Oh, wow. Delicious, folks. My word is deliciousness. So again, thanks for watching. I will put the information in the description box. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that I can bring you even more new recipes every week so that you and your family can enjoy this deliciousness. Bye for now.